knowledge nexus.
Welcome to our tutorial on quantum computing. In this video, we'll explore a realm where the ordinary rules of computing are completely transformed. Let's begin by understanding what quantum computing is all about. It isn't just an evolution of classical computing, it's a transformative shift. At its essence, it harnesses the mind-bending principles of quantum mechanics to process information in ways unimaginable for classical computers. Why does this matter? In our fast-paced technological age, the demand for more powerful computing solutions is greater than ever. Quantum computing offers the promise of addressing problems too intricate for today's supercomputers, from optimizing global logistics to cracking cryptographic codes. As we proceed in this tutorial, we'll introduce key concepts like qubits, superposition, and entanglement, each a crucial element of quantum computing's vast potential. Let's unlock the future together, expanding your understanding as we bridge theory with groundbreaking applications. Get ready as our exploration of quantum computing continues into the realm of qubits. In this segment, we're diving into the fascinating world of qubits, the fundamental units of quantum information. Unlike classical bits, which are binary, qubits can exist in multiple states at once, thanks to the principles of quantum mechanics. Visualize a sphere. A classical bit is an arrow pointing up or down, representing 0 or 1. A qubit, however, can point anywhere on this sphere, capturing all possibilities simultaneously. This unique capability makes qubits the building blocks of quantum computing, capable of handling calculations beyond the reach of classical systems. As we explore further, remember that qubits allow us to push past traditional computing boundaries, opening worlds of possibilities. Ready to dive deeper into quantum computing? Let's explore superposition, where qubits display their ability to exist in multiple states, setting us up for what's next. Join us as we uncover this principle's profound implications in the upcoming segment. In quantum computing, superposition is a fundamental concept. Imagine information bits not confined to being a 0 or a 1, but both simultaneously. This is superposition, empowering qubits to process data with unmatched efficiency compared to classical bits. Superposition unlocks vast possibilities, enabling qubits to perform complex calculations rapidly and efficiently. This principle is driving groundbreaking advancements, allowing the transformation of ideas once deemed impossible into reality. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this quantum marvel, its implications, and its transformative potential in technology. Next, we'll unveil the intriguing phenomenon of entanglement, where qubits' connections transcend conventional boundaries. Let's proceed further into the quantum domain. Welcome to our exploration of entanglement, a fundamental phenomenon in quantum computing. Entanglement isn't an ordinary interaction. It's a unique phenomenon where qubits become linked, so the state of one directly affects the state of another. Imagine two particles connected, no matter their distance. Their bond is unseen yet steadfast, perfectly mirroring each other's states. Consider two qubits. When entangled, a change in one instantly reflects in the other, even across vast distances. This peculiarity makes quantum computing revolutionary, enabling unprecedented processing speed and efficiency. As we explore quantum theories, picture entangled qubits as partners in a synchrony across the quantum stage, unlocking new horizons for computation. Now, let's delve into how quantum compares to classical computing and discover the opportunities entanglement creates. Now we dive into comparing quantum computing with its classical counterpart. By appreciating their differences, we can see the unique advantages quantum technology offers. While classical computing relies on binary bits, quantum computing uses qubits. These leverage superposition, existing in multiple states at once, vastly enhancing computational power. Challenges taking classical computers millennia to solve could, theoretically, be tackled by quantum computers in moments. This extraordinary speed comes from entanglement, connecting qubits even over vast distances. As we delve into advancements, we uncover quantum's potential, not just in speed, but in new areas like cryptography and complex simulations. Quantum computing complements rather than replaces classical computing, creating a new computational horizon. Join us as we explore real-world applications that herald a promising leap into the future. As we journey deeper into quantum computing, the potential seems boundless. Quantum technology could revolutionize fields like cryptography, creating near-impenetrable encryption systems. In medicine, it promises breakthroughs by modeling complex molecular interactions, speeding up drug discovery and enabling personalized treatments. In finance, its data processing could optimize trading strategies and improve risk management. Its impact extends to logistics, climate modeling, and AI, tackling previously unsolvable problems. While these prospects are exciting, they merely scratch the surface. The challenge is translating potential into practical realities. Next, we'll explore these challenges and the hurdles to making this groundbreaking technology commonplace. Stay with us as we navigate these challenges and embrace the exciting journey ahead. Now let's reflect on the challenges and limitations in quantum computing. Despite its promise, fully realizing quantum computing's capabilities involves overcoming significant technical hurdles. These challenges arise from controlling and maintaining qubits, the core units of quantum information. Unlike classical computers, quantum systems are highly sensitive to their environment, needing near-perfect isolation to function properly, a precision difficult to achieve with current technology. Additionally, scalability remains an issue. Existing quantum systems, while groundbreaking, struggle to reach the scale needed for everyday applications. For now, quantum computing remains largely research-focused, teasing us with glimpses of its potential. Yet, each challenge offers an opportunity for innovation. As we innovate, these barriers may become stepping stones for further advancement. In the next segment, we'll dispel common misconceptions about quantum computing, aiming to provide clarity on this evolving frontier. Stay tuned as we further unravel the mysteries of quantum technology. Welcome back to our quantum computing journey. Let's clear up some common misconceptions. Quantum computing often seems like magic or science fiction, overwhelming or misleading many. First, quantum computers won't replace classical computers. They complement them by solving specific problems. They're not universally faster, but excel at tasks like factorizing large numbers. Additionally, despite relying on probability, quantum computations are not unstable. They're guided by precise laws, ensuring accuracy. It's also a misconception that quantum computing is purely theoretical. Researchers and companies are already harnessing its power in chemistry and optimizing complex systems. By addressing these misunderstandings, we aim to empower your learning with clarity. Now, let's consolidate the key concepts we've covered. Prepare as we review our learning journey, ensuring these insights are deeply understood. Join us as we venture into the summary of our quantum exploration. As we conclude this journey through quantum computing, let's recap the pivotal concepts we've tackled. We began with qubits and their distinctive ability to exist in multiple states via superposition. We further explored entanglement, where qubits transform each other's states, presenting unique computational advantages. We compared this with classical computing, highlighting quantum's potential. We've foreseen groundbreaking applications across sectors, recognizing the challenges remaining. Each segment aimed to deepen your understanding and ignite curiosity. Quantum computing isn't just a tool, it's a gateway to resolve complex problems beyond our current capabilities. We hope this tutorial has enriched your knowledge and inspired further exploration in this revolutionary realm. As you continue your learning journey, remember that quantum computing is just unveiling its potential. Stay curious and keep probing. As we wrap up this quantum computing tutorial, keep in mind that this journey is just starting. We've only scratched the surface. Equipped now with foundational concepts, qubits, superposition, and quantum applications, your learning doesn't stop here. Quantum computing is an evolving field, bustling with discoveries daily. Continue exploring this fascinating world. There's always more to learn. Whether you're a student, tech enthusiast, or curious mind, countless resources await, from books and online courses to seminars diving deeper into quantum complexities. Engage with communities discussing breakthroughs and challenges, and seek insights from experts at the forefront of innovation. Your quantum computing journey is a continuous adventure, and we're excited for the strides you'll make. Thank you for joining us. Stay curious, embrace this inspiring frontier, and let it enrich your understanding and innovation. Discover more through the provided links, and let your quantum exploration unfold.